Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt in your oven using an easy method. First, you'll need to prepare your milk. Gently heat about 1/2 gallon of whole milk on the stovetop until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step helps to denature the proteins, resulting in a thicker yogurt. After heating, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for the starter culture to thrive, so be sure to use a thermometer. Once your milk has cooled to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to introduce the starter culture. Take about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that contains live active cultures. Gently whisk this into your cooled milk until it's fully incorporated. The live cultures are what transform the milk into yogurt, so don't skip this important step. Make sure your starter yogurt is fresh for the best results. Now for the magic. Pour your milk and starter mixture into clean jars or an oven-safe dish. Place these containers inside your oven. Turn on only the oven light. The gentle warmth from the bulb provides the perfect environment for the cultures to grow. Let it incubate for anywhere from 4 to 8 hours. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. Do not disturb it during this time. After incubation, your yogurt is ready for its final step, chilling. Carefully remove the yogurt from the oven and place it directly into the refrigerator. It needs to chill for at least 4 hours to firm up and develop its full flavor. Once chilled, transfer it to an airtight container. Your delicious, homemade yogurt will stay fresh for about 7 days. Enjoy it plain with fruit or in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.